Hello all of you. This is the video that I'm going to send for the bushcraft group challenge. Survival. Sleep one night in the woods. I have a lot of things in my home that I could take with me, but I will only use this night. So now I will take some food with me. I will use this to dig up the roots that I will bring with me. Here is the burdock root. I will take 7-8 of these roots with me and I will boil them later. Here is a bit of dried hazel. So I will take this stick with me and use it for my boulder. It's drying. Now I have walked for 1.5 hours in the hot sun, and this is what I have found in the way. I start here. Here is dry grass that I will use as tinder, a plastic bag. Here is some pine needles I will use for tea, 2 bottles. Here is a branch from a pine tree. I will use it as a fireboard for my bow drill. Here is the drill that I have made from the hazel tree that I will use also to make my bow drill. Here is the roots, burdock roots, and here I have some horse shit that I will use against the mosquitoes. This is very effective and it's very used in Latin America. You can use cow shit, horse shit, or whatever you find, or from deer. So this is what I have at this moment. Really good water here. Taste of mud or other bad taste will be removed if I let them here for a few minutes. So during the time I will fill my bottles with water. I have been walking for about 5 hours and I'm tired now. I have wasted a lot of energy, and here I will make my shelter in some place. As you can see, it's a lot of dry trees. This is a very dry place and very hot place, and that's why the people don't like to be up here. So I will go inside here and make my shelter and take a rest. Look here, dry trees all over the place. They can fall down. So I will move from here to another place. I will not take any risk here. Here is the place where I'm going to spend the night. So I will make my shelter here. And the first thing I'm going to make is the bed. I'm going to sleep. okay. Now my shelter is finished. Here's the roof, and here is the inside. This is edible, and this stone is full of it. So I will take a lot of this to the camp, and I will make a porridge. They are very nutritious, and they taste good. Hello all of you. I have spent a nice day here, and I have eaten blueberries, burdock roots, kale, and the things that grow on the rocks. So now I will eat my evening meal, and it's the same. I have swum in the lake, and that was helping me a lot. So I am very glad to be here, and I will sleep now. So I will see you tomorrow. This is a nice bed. Good night. Good morning. I have now spent all night here in this shelter, and it was a lot of mosquitoes here. So I think they have a big party here with me, but I'm okay. And the meal that I eat on the night has helped me a lot. So now we have make the challenge here in this shelter. Thank you very much for watching.